focus, been drifting away from you. Just wasn't our time, our time. You can say what you want, but I know you heard it.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm bringing you some cleaning motivation as always. I'm also going to be bringing you some laundry motivation. So if you are ready, go ahead and give this video a like. Subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure your notification bell is on so you don't miss any future uploads. Go ahead and leave me a comment and let me know you're here watching. Now let's get to cleaning.
Let me prove it, 'cause I swear I will.
So I'm starting out in the living room and I have my two little helpers helping me out, cleaning all the toys up. And then we are going to move the couch because there was a lot of trash just pushed under there. The kids like shoving stuff underneath the couch and it gets stuck back there where they can't reach it. So I'm going to get that all cleaned up right now.
Lately I've been feeling some type of way.
So as you guys can see, the block parties have now moved right back to the living room. They were in my son's room for a little while, but now we are having daily block parties in the living room. So we got to get the blocks all put away. How often do you guys move your furniture to clean behind it? Even if you don't have toys back there, I know that it does get dusty and dirty, so I do like to clean behind here. I won't say once a week, but whenever I think about it, I do try to just move it and get all the toys and dust from back there.
I'm giving us one last chance, 'cause I don't wanna lose what we had. I'm not feeling right, and I'm tired of this loneliness. Let me prove it, 'cause I swear I will.
For the scuffs on the wall, I am using this Force of Nature multi-purpose cleaner and a microfiber cloth to get them off. This is your very first time visiting my channel today. Hi and welcome. My name is Sean Yvonne and I'm a wife and a stay-at-home mom of two. I make motivational cleaning videos like this every Sunday and Wednesday. So if that is something that you are interested in and you like to watch, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of my uploads. Go ahead and leave me a comment and introduce yourself down below so we can chat and get to know each other better.
I don't get anything done, you're stuck on my mind. I keep on missing your touch, missing your vibe. This feeling might go when I say what we had.
So this is super random, but I have been getting this question a lot. Somebody asked me, was my name Sean? Like, is it okay to call me Sean or is it Sean Yvonne? Sean Yvonne is actually a nickname, you guys. That is not my name. My name is Seanquel, but I tell you guys to call me Sean or Sean Yvonne because it's much easier to say. Yvonne is my middle name, so it's not completely made up. People do call me Sean Yvonne. Most of my family and friends call me Sean, so whatever feels comfortable for you. I just wanted to clear that up. So moving on to the office, my kids did not really want me to clean up. They just wanted to play today. And the office does get really messy because my daughter likes to come in here while her dad is working and she tears it up. She brings toys, blankets, and everything, paper, whatever you can think of. Like, she brings in here and she just tears up whatever. So I'm getting it all cleaned up.
Don't you miss me too? Give it all you got, babe. Give it all you got, baby. I'd rather try than lose you. Give it all you got, baby. Give me all you got.
So today's video is a pretty quick tidy up. This is what I would do on a normal day just to get the house looking good. It does not take me a long time. We do not need to deep clean our homes every single day to have them looking clean. Sometimes you just need a quick tidy up. I just clear the floor from any clutter. I like to vacuum or sweep and mop. Make sure there's no toys everywhere because I do have kids. So now we're on to my son's room, and the block party was in his room as well, so we're getting that cleaned up. Then I'm gonna make his bed and vacuum the floor and move on to doing some laundry. Moving on to the laundry, I am just getting some clothes out of the dryer. I'm also going to be starting to load the laundry, and as I was in here getting ready to do the laundry, I noticed that the washer and dryer really needed to be wiped down and wiped out because I haven't done it in a while, so I'm going to get that done as well. What can I do? What can I say? Please make it undone. I'm just showing you a close-up of how dirty the dryer actually was, so make sure you are cleaning out your washer and dryer regularly because they do get really dirty. And of course, I'm using this Force of Nature cleaner to get it all clean. I say, please make it undone. What you did to me, what you did to me, what you did to me, what you did to me. I can't believe the daddy one could make me feel this way. No, I can't believe I will let you get away with this again. So don't you say it like that. You're not excuse, so come back. It's underwater. Yeah, don't you hurt me like that. I'm ready for your attack. It's underwater. It's underwater. It's underwater. So now that they're clean, I'm just starting to load my son's laundry, and then I'm gonna go fold some laundry. We gotta fold. I really don't dread it as much as I know some people do, especially if the clothes are fresh and hot out of the dryer. I like to go ahead and get them done. But the only thing I don't enjoy is putting the clothes away. So let me know if you guys are like that, because I don't mind washing, drying, and folding, but putting them away, sometimes they will sit in the basket for a couple business days, okay?
Major chords. We hang out and then you get bored, and you leave me here like I'm your landlord. You come back and say I'm sorry, boo, and I know you never mean it, gets you in though. Did you call me cause you had to? Cause you know I'd throw your suitcase out the window. I don't need you here to feel good. No, I'm not angry, I got better things to do. Tell your friends I will be just fine. Don't need no therapist, there's nothing like wine.
So y'all already know I like to put on a good TV show to get me through the folding, to make it go by so much quicker. The kids were already in bed for the night. It was just me and my husband. Of course, he's sitting off to the side and we are watching TV and just folding, and it's so relaxing to do at the end of the day. So I know most of us like to put it off, but go ahead and get up and get it done. I really do hope you got some motivation from this video to take with you today and get some things tackled around your homes.
Honestly, I'm just so tired. I don't need you here to feel good. No, I'm not angry, I got better things to do. Tell your friends I will be just fine. Don't need no therapist, there's nothing like wine.
Made it this far in the video, thank you so much for supporting me and watching these videos to the very end. It really does help my channel out a lot, so thank you so much. Go ahead and leave this video a like if you've enjoyed it and got some motivation today. Subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure your post notification bell is on so you don't miss any of my uploads. Leave me a comment down below. I love chatting with you. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
I'm sorry for what I have put you through. Still have you on my mind.